Hello guys! Today we are going to show you how to create a website on WordPress in a few steps. WordPress is one of the most popular content management systems in the world. Becoming one of its users is as simple as never before. In this section we will explain what is hosting, why do we need it, and how to choose right hosting. If you do not need this section, please scroll to 2:11 of this video. For most people, it is hard to understand what hosting is, but we'll make it simple for you. When you transfer information from your PC to the web, like articles or pictures, they have to be placed somewhere, right? Hosting is a service that provides disk space to accommodate the physical information on a server that is constantly in the network. That's why all of your information is always in the web. Web hosts are companies that provide such a service, and they have big rooms of servers like these, so you don't need to have one at your home. There are more than 1,000 web hosts around the world, but you have to decide which one you would choose, as each of them has differences. The first one is the price. Believe us, it can vary very significantly. Second is the usability and features you will get using one or another. And the third is design of your hosting panel. Let's proceed. We are already using thiswebhost.com. It's one of the best host providers on the web. Check the hosting plans and pick the most suitable for your needs. There are Starter and Blog, Standard, Medium or Large. You can see basic features that you will get when picking a hosting plan. The main are disk space, monthly bandwidth and other. Also, there is a 75% discount coupon down there. Just copy the text "Try this now." We will choose Starter Hosting Plan. Click Order. Now we are going to the next step of our story, domain name. In this section, we will emphasize on the domain name. If you already have a domain name or don't need this section, please scroll to 5 minutes of this video. Domain name is what you see in the URL section of your browser. Maybe you want to write blogs about cats, so your domain name will be lovewhitecats.com. But nowadays, having a keyword domain is not so important as a brandable one. The reality is that Google like brands, so better to have a domain name like furandclaws.com. Here you go, 7 tips for choosing a brandable domain. A. Pick a .com extension. It's the best choice because it is the standard all over the world. B. Be memorable. Users must be able to easily remember your domain name. That's why furandclaws.com is very good. C. Be relevant. Ensure that your domain name transfers your desired message. For instance, it is bad to write auto-reviews on a website about cats. D. Easy to spell. Your domain name must be easy to spell. Avoid commonly misspelled words. E. Sound authoritative. Your domain name should sound like a trustworthy authority. F. Shorter is better. 1 or 2 words is the best. The top 100,000 sites have 9 characters in their domain names. G. And be unique. Check if wanted name is one and only. If not, try to create one. Of course, there are a lot more important criteria helping you to choose the right domain name. If you want to know them all and become an expert in this field, visit our website. Now let's create our domain name. We will go back to thiswebhost.com to do it. Step 2. Domain options. Enter your name like furandclawscats.com and click Continue. You can see how many there are extensions for domains. Here you can see available domains and the price you will pay for 1 or 2 years. Click to continue. Step 3. Configure. Here you can see all the information about your order and billing cycle. Also, there is hosting location. Better to be that one where you want to target on. Click Add to Cart. Here you will be proposed some add-on services like ID protection for $8, but we don't need it. Then click Update Card. Step 4. Confirm the order. Check if everything is correct. We have to put promo code here. Click on Checkout. Step 5. Fill all fields to complete the order. As we have already paid our hosting, let's take a look at your host panel. You will be informed via email about your login and password details and the link to the panel. So how to install WordPress on your website? In this section, we will show you how to do it right. If you don't need it, scroll to 1206 for the next section. There are different ways how to install WordPress depending on your hosting, but we will show you the most used one. We will download it directly from wordpress.org. So, type in wordpress.org. Here you can see Download WordPress. Down here, you can see what brands are using WordPress. Click on Download WordPress. We only need the zip file. It will be downloaded to your PC. You don't need to unzip the file. By the way, here you can find more interesting information about WordPress. Now we need to go to your hosting panel. This is how it looks like. As you see, there are a lot of fields, but we need to find File Manager. Here it is. You need to choose public_HTML. There you will find the folder with the name of your site. You need to upload WordPress zip file. Click Upload. Choose the needed file and extract it. Big list of extracted files. Close it. Delete this zip file. Then from the WordPress folder, copy or move all files, or you can easily drag and drop it to the previous folder. Now we need to create a MySQL database. Let's find it. Here it is. We need to create a new database, for example, Fur and C, but we already have it. Then create new user and generate password. Copy the password. Make sure that created user is connected to the new database. Now your website is ready for WordPress. Type your domain name in the URL plus /wp-admin. That's how you will enter the WordPress admin panel. Firstly, you need to choose language. Next step, WordPress tells you what kind of information you will need in the next step. That's why we have created new MySQL database and user. Fill all the fields. Let's check if everything is correct. Our user created password. You don't need to change the table prefix in database host. Run the install. Type the site title, Fur and Claws Cats. Now you need to create a first user, administrator, you. Type admin and generate new password. Also, you need to add your email address, and that's all. Success! Enter your username and password. Having trouble installing WordPress? Go to mobileunity.com for needed information. We will help you with your issue. It is the last section of creating a website on WordPress. There is everything you need to manage your own website. This is how it looks like in the beginning. Go back to Dashboard. Here you have some tips proposed by WordPress for beginners. We will start with them. First, what you need is a theme or appearance of your website. You can customize your site, but we will change the theme completely. It is the same as clicking on Appearance then Themes and click Plus. On the top there are featured themes, popular and latest themes placed on WordPress. Here we have a feature filter, if you know what kind of appearance you want. Let's pick brown color and left sidebar. Apply. Now you can install theme or preview it. This is how it looks right now on your blog. Not as well as on picture. Now let's customize our site. There are a lot of options. Take a look on your own. You can change name and color of the site. Save and go back to dashboard. Click on Write your first blog post. It is the main source of your writing. At the top you can type your title, for instance, Cats Are Happy. After that you see a permalink of this post. You can change it. In the main body you can type all text you need with pictures and etc. There is a toolbar to help you to customize your text whatever you want. Now you want to add some pictures. Click Add Media and upload a picture. It's the same as on the left side, Media, Add New. Go back to Media Library, where you can see all your imported pictures and videos. When clicking on a picture, on the right you can change its title, description, etc. Now click Insert into Post. You can drag it wherever you want and align it as you wish. Repeat the action for more pictures you want to add. Click Preview if you are not sure how it will look on your website. Go back and click Publish. OK, let's go back to Dashboard. Click Add an About page. This page is needed for your readers. Type About Us and some information. Publish it. After you created the About page, go to Appearance and then Menus. Here you can create menus for your readers easily to navigate through your website. Add the About page to the menu structure. Also, you can add custom links, categories and posts. Click Save Menu and set to Primary Menu. Let's see what we have done. Point on Home and click Visit Site. Here it is. You created your first website on WordPress, your page and post. In the second video, we will show you what is the difference between pages and posts, why do we need plugins, and the difference between plugins and widgets. If you have any issues with managing your WordPress dashboard, leave a comment below and we will help you. Okay, that's all for now. Click subscribe and put a thumbs up to see more videos. Bye!